Hate? What do you mean by that, Mother?
So if I was dead already, and you were left with the responsibility of bringing in someone that could replace me, so this thing is what you could have brought for them to give my staff of office.
Mother, just stop this endless recourse to physical attributes. Look beyond the physical. Looks can be deceptive, you know.
I am going to close my eyes. And by the time I open them, you must have developed wings and fly away like the witch that you are. And never you again step foot in this palace. Get out!
Oh, Yama!